welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello, my name is Annie and we have got another makeup video today because it is a Makeup Mondays. But yeah, so it's a little short video today creating this cute little pink glittery look. I created this look using two palettes and I'm totally obsessed with this glitter one, guys. I have to show you. It is from Jolie Beauty and it's called bomb.com palette, and voila, beautiful is this. As you can see, there are so many colours in here. I was honestly like, what do I do? What will I do? What will I do? But I just went towards all the pinks because it's got some beautiful pinks in there. The other palette I used mainly for the the other palette I used is this one, and this was for the base. So it is the Revolution Flawless 4, and honestly guys, it's only £8. Oh, I love Revolution, it's so cheap. I just love this palette because it was so cheap, and it's got all of the colours that I love to play with. It's got all of the warm kind of browns, oranges in there, and then it's got the pinks if I'm having a bit of, you know, feeling a bit girly one day, you know. And yeah, so I just love this palette so much. They do so many ones that are like £8, but I went for this one that had the rose gold just because it's got all the colours that I love. Of course, this look is cruelty free, and everything I'm using is cruelty free, so
just to let you know.
Yeah, this video was just kind of like a bit of fun, having fun with glitters and pinks, and yeah, so I really hope you enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. Hey guys, okay, so I've started off by using a light pink in the palette. You can choose any pink you want because there's a few, but I really wanted kind of like a really nice light pink, and just to kind of create a nice base and layer it up as much as you want. Going into the other eye, and yeah, just putting it all over the crease of my eye. Then going in with this lovely shimmer colour, and we're going in with that metallic and we're just blending it into the eyelid. Going in with the colour that we started off with, this lovely light peach pink, and I'm just blending that in under the eye, just ever so faintly. Going in with a darker pink and popping that into the crease just to add a bit of definition, just darken it up a bit. Now that we've done the base, it's time to use the glitter. So going in with this lovely pink colour, and I'm just pressing that in. Oh, that is nice. And going in with the light white, and yeah, just popping that into the corner of my eye. Going in with the other pink, and we are just going to pop that just faintly under the eye and kind of around where we've blended it all out. Honestly, you can be as messy as you want. Like, I was having so much fun with these glitters. Going in with a cream black eyeliner, and it was a little bit difficult to do over the glitter, I'm not going to lie. It's not my cleanest eyeliner I've done, but it worked. Now using the Urban Decay liquid eyeliner, and it's the Heavy Metal glitter in pink. And I'm just having a bit of fun with it really. You can place it anywhere, but yeah, I just wanted to put a little bit more glitter on top of the eyeliner. Using a detailed brush to then clean up any mistakes that you've done. After popping on some lashes, I'm just adding a bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. These lashes are from e.l.f. by the way, and I think they're called Flirtatious. Then I just thought it would be cute to add a little bit of the glitter that I used on my eyelid on my lips. Just to add a bit more glitter, a bit more shimmer, you know the drill. And that is you done! How quick and easy was that? I really hope you enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun doing this look, and I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button because I'll be seeing you again this week, and hit that notification button so you know when I'm gonna post next. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye!